Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel, Joyful Jessie. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing the curriculum that we are going to be using for my daughter in kindergarten. And we have decided once again to continue using Abeka. So make sure to stick around and watch. So as some of you may already know, we are coming towards the end of our very first year of homeschooling, and we're gonna be entering our second year homeschooling. And for our first year homeschooling, we decided on Abeka, and I have to say that I am super pleased. The kids love the curriculum. My husband and I both love the curriculum. We adjusted to it very, very well, and we liked it so much that we are continuing to use them for our homeschooling. We started with our daughter at K4. I do have some videos in where I unboxed the K4 curriculum and I shared with you guys how we made it work with our daughter, and we did a day in the life as well. We did do a lot of modifications for K4 just because we wanted our daughter to really enjoy learning and want to enjoy learning. We made everything at her pace, and she really took a lot of pride in everything that she was learning. So now that we are soon going to be moving to kindergarten, she's super excited and super proud, and she can't wait, and neither can we. I ordered it a little bit earlier because I did have a coupon that they had sent me to use for the upcoming year. So I didn't order my son's fourth grade. I should have in hindsight. I'm hoping that they have like the same deal that they had last year coming up in May. But what I did was I saved, I believe it was 15% off, and I ordered it, and it came within the week that I ordered it. I'm so excited. Let's dig in. So this is everything that comes included in the curriculum. For us, we decided that we wanted to do the Academy again because it just worked so nicely for us. So we are doing the Abeka Academy, and we're doing the DVDs along with them. We like the DVDs instead of streaming because I feel like there's no flaws. You don't have to worry about the internet not working. These are all the parent resources that you get along with it. So the very first thing that you get is this manual here. This is the video manual, and we love this because the way that this is laid out is really straightforward. It does give you like descriptions on how to grade and different guidelines. Every day it lays it out for you. It tells you pretty much what to prepare and what the procedure is and all the materials that you are going to need for that day. At the end, it has like the little pages, the progress reports, which for kindergarten for our daughter, we decided that we were going to go unaccredited. We decided that we are going to once again continue going at her speed, at her level, and we right now don't want to have too many stressors. So K4, we took our sweet old time with it. We're gonna do the same with this. I mean, we're not gonna take like forever like we did with the other one, but I just don't want to do the accredited version yet for this. Maybe when she gets older. Either way, I'm still going to use the progress reports. Whether you do accredited or not, you still get the same video manual with the same resources. So you have the stuff in the front, the stuff in the back. You have all the things that you can get help in, all the answers, the seat work daily plans, that kind of stuff. You also get the formation cards, whether it is manuscript or cursive. For K4, we did do the cursive, but for K5, we are going with manuscript. I feel like even though we've been doing the cursive, when she's writing stuff on her own, she's doing the print instead. So we decided to go with that. These are the cursive ones I currently have up on my wall. These were the ones that came with the K4. We use them a lot, like when my son is doing his cursive writing for fourth grade. So it's really good to have either way. You get these mini Bible memory cards, which is a little bit different than the K4 ones. These go along with the alphabet, with the letters, whatever it is, the verse that she has to memorize. For K4, it was a picture, and on the back, it had the scripture in the back. So that's something different. I definitely recommend their Bible program. Even if you're not doing their curriculum, you can just buy their Bible program, and I'd say it's definitely worth it. I think it's like $100 to do the video stuff with them, and the kids just get so much out of it. My son in fourth grade has acquired so much biblical knowledge that is just 100% worth it. Then you have the mini alphabet flashcards, and these also come with the K4 curriculum. So it's the same ones that we have. I have the other ones that I have laminated for her and that we use all the time. And then they have these little number cards that they use in math class. In K4, they had them as well. And it's just the dots, And then it has the number in the back. The My Blend and Word book. So this is new. This did not come with K4, so this is new to the K5. Instead, in the K4, the kids used to color this stuff inside some of their activities. But it's nice to have this just available to take out and just practice. So you have your blend, and then it goes into words. And then you get the teacher answer keys for the number skills, the arithmetic one, and for the letters and sounds, which this is pretty much the same thing as the consumable, except that it has the answers in them. See? Now moving on to the consumables. All right, so these little guys over here, these are little readers. They also had little readers in K4. And in K4, they could color it and do different things with it. So the K5 seems to bring, I think, more books actually. It has them by the book number. And you see, there's different activities that they could do in there. My daughter's on the side and she's just like, oh, she's already getting excited about it. So the first batch of books is like that. And then they get harder as it goes. And then this one, that one is I learned to read. This one is I do read. And then it has actual books that they could read. Now, the letters and sounds. This is what it looks like. It always starts with the I, inchy inchworm. I just love how colorful all their consumables are. It's beautiful. It's awesome. It's absolutely worth it. It's exciting. It's fun to look at. It's fun to learn from. It's interactive. So I really like it. And then at the end, there's a little certificate when they know their short vowels. She did a lot with the vowels and the blends and stuff in K4. So I feel like she's very prepared for this. I feel that if we wouldn't have done that before, this would have been very overwhelming. Then for the number skills, you get the workbook, and then you get this writing tablet. So the workbook, this is what it looks like inside. And then the numbers writing tablet is so they could practice writing their numbers. So, and they're each, there's a side on each side. So this is when they do their number practice, which is awesome. Moving on to here, we have our Think and Learn, which is just like writing skills, hand-eye coordination, visual perception. So these are all different activities that they will do. It just works with their motor skills and all those things. So you can kind of see what it looks like. Yeah. I know. Isn't it exciting?
Is it those? What's up on the wall?
Yep, it is those what's up on the wall. And then you get writing with phonics, and this is the manuscript. We went with manuscript instead of cursive. And then in addition to that, you get a writing tablet. This is what it looks like, the writing tablet.
That's so cool.
Is it exciting? New stuff for when we do kindergarten. With K5, we also get like social studies and science. So this is the science book, is God's World.
Wow, that's cool.
I just love how colorful everything is. You're going to be learning about insects and animals and fruits and plants. Isn't that so exciting?
That's cool.
I know.
And I have to do that writing, but not those things. And go ahead to do that, and they're going to teach me how to make food.
K5 also brings social studies, which is super exciting. This is what it looks like in the inside.
What color does that have to do?
I don't know. We'll have to wait till you start. But it has like the fire safety, which is all things that you have to teach. Then the art project book. For art, if you ever wonder what are the things that you're gonna need for the year, they have them right here. They have like this supply list here. For this past year, we didn't really do all of it. We only did a couple of ones, but maybe this year I'll probably do a little bit more planning ahead. And actually, the past year I was more concerned about getting everything like the academic stuff done. And the art stuff we just did as we went through in the weekends. I think maybe this year I'll be a little bit more thorough with it and plan a little bit more ahead. The last one that we have left is the K5 Bible activity book. Everything comes in these two boxes. Here is where the DVDs came in. Here is where the books and the manuals came in. And along with that, you also get this little checklist. Make sure that you received everything that was included. Do you think you're gonna be ready for kindergarten?
Yeah.
To do all this reading and writing on your own?
Yeah.
Do social studies and science too? Yeah?
I don't need help.
No? You don't need help anymore?
I don't need help with this. I don't need help with Daddy either.
You think you can do it all by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, that's exciting.
Because I know already these.
Yeah. Do you like school?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you like about school?
I like doing all the activities and all the things and like cursive writing and book time and phonics time and of course numbers time. I like learning about letters, numbers, and yeah.
So you might be thinking, holy moly, that's a lot of stuff. How do you keep it all together? And I use the Flex Binder system. I do have a couple of videos sharing how is it that I do this and how I did it for her K4 and how I did it with my son's 4th grade curriculum. And let me tell you, this system is amazing. Nothing ever goes all over the place. Nothing ever goes crazy. It's all readily available to them in here. So when the time comes when I'm organizing this, when she's done with her K4, I will share with you guys all how is it that I organize it, how I put that binder together so that it makes sense and things don't get all over the place and overwhelming and becomes a mess. If you are already a homeschooling family or are planning on homeschooling next year, let me know on the comments below, what is it that you are using? What have you found helpful? My family and I personally really enjoy Abeka. We feel like it's worth the money. And for kindergarten, it wasn't that bad. I also had a 15% off coupon that I used, so I saved some money that way. In totality, for the entire kindergarten curriculum, I believe it was $600 and something. I'm gonna put it down here somewhere. That's how much it was. I'm glad we did the K4 and that Dad is definitely prepping her for this. And she is just, as you can see, she is excited. She loves learning. She is not overwhelmed. And I think a lot of it had to do with the fact that when we did K4, we really didn't like shove it to her. Like we didn't force certain things. We made it work for her. We did a very slow, gradual beginning. One class over here, one class over there. Then we added class by class and she enjoys it. It's not something that she dreads. For us, that's how it worked. We're super excited for the upcoming year. I know this one hasn't really ended yet, but we're super excited for this upcoming year. Thinking of making a video with you guys of a review of our K4 because we did do some extensions for her K4 just because of the way that we structured everything and all the unexpected situations that happened to us the past several months. So anyways, I hope that you have found this video helpful and that it gives you an idea of an option that's out there for homeschooling. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not done so yet, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.